Morning everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Kanisius Sudarwanto Sakalio from the Management Department.
Introduce my name Aisyah Fazira Miadi with name 230592123. I am presenter 4.
Introduce myself. My name is Robi Anggara. I'm from Management Department.
My name is Triasuci Amanda.
For the first time, it is regulated in the Commercial Law Code (KUHD) Article 23. Firm companies are required to register the debt in the register provided for in at the Civil Court of Fund Justice of the jurisdiction where the company is located. Furthermore, Article 3(4) of the Criminal Code, the company regulate the register, the did it in its interest along with the permit obtained in the register help for it to the court of order for justice from the legal area of the company's location and announce it in the official newspaper. Every company must be registered in the company register. Registration must be done by the owner or manager of the company concerned or can be represented to another person by giving a valid power of attorney. If the company is owned by several people, the owner are obligated to register. When one of them has fulfilled his obligation, the other is released from that obligation. If the owner and or manager of a company domiciled in the territory of the Republic of Indonesia does not reside in the territory of the Republic of Indonesia, the manager of or power of attorney assigned to hold the company leadership is obligated to register. So it can be brain. The thing is, when we want to open a company, we first register our company according to what is regulated in the laws in our country. Okay, that's all from me. I will leave it to speaker 2.
How entries and the term of regulation. Regulation is done by filling out the regulation form set by the Mr. at the office where the company is registered. The subsection of the regulation form is called the company regulation of 5. Namely, 1. At the location of the company office. 2. At the location of each branch of office company auxiliary office or subsidiary office. 3. At the location of every again office and company representative who has the authority to hold agreement. Education. Things that must be registered. Things that must be registered depend from the company, such as limit liability company, cooperative partnership of individual. The difference is carried by the difference from the company. 1. General. 2. About being manager and commissioner. 3. Her business active by every manager and commissioner. 4. About every shareholder. 5. Companies deed of establishment. Definition of law. Definition of civil law according to Express 1. Sri Suwendi Marjasofwan. The law that regulates the interests of individual citizens with each other. 2. Professor Sudiman Kartohiprodjo. The law that regulates the interests of one individual with another individual. 3. No Mertukusumo. Get to know the legality and licensing institution. Business legality in the legal status of a company or business, while a business license is an agreement to carry out business active. Business legality and business license are important to be fulfilled so that the business can run in an orderly and legal manner. Some business legality documents that must be one including business parent number, date of establishment, third business license, certificate of company domicile, company regulation, Minister of Law and Human Rights, taxpayer identification number. Legality and licensing institution. Business legality has several benefits including protecting business actors, making it easier to expand business, attracting investor or business partner. Meanwhile, if the business actor does not take care of the legality of the business, it will be at risk of violating the law, being subject to a fine or criminal. Business active are terminated by the government, reducing consumer confidence.
I will read the next material, namely company restructuring such as mergers, acquisition, and consolidation. Mergers, acquisition, and consolidation are part of the company restructuring that aims to increase efficiency and benefit the company. Company restructuring can be done by mergers, acquisition, and consolidation. Company restructuring. Number 1, mergers. Number 2, company mergers, where the merged company must be closed or stop operation and join the main company. An example of merger is the merger of PT Bank BRI Syariah, PT Bank BNI Syariah, and PT Bank Syariah Mandiri into PT Bank Syariah Indonesia. Number 3, execution. Number 4, the acquiring company control or hold control of the acquired company, but the acquired company can still carry out its operational activities. Next, consolidation. Next, companies that merge into one to build a new company, or a company with the same name but with a new legal entity. Next, restructuring. Company restructuring can also be done by divestment, formation of joint venture and alliances, as well as labor adjustment. Company restructuring can help companies to adapt to a change and increase overall efficiency. Next, company list. Types of company list. Sole company, sole proprietorship. Definition is a form of business that is owned and run by one person. The owner has full control over the business, but is also personally responsible for all business obligations. Characteristic: sole proprietor. Capital comes from the owner. Unlimited responsibility. Advantage: easy to set up, quick decisions, low operational costs. Disadvantage: unlimited liability, limited capital access, business continuity depends of the owner.
Next, partnership. Definition. A firm of business owner may want two or more people with the purpose of mutual profit. Partnership can be in the form of a firm partnership or limited partnership. Characteristic 1. Cooperation between two or more people. 2. Capital is do not be a lease. 3. Profit sharing according to the agreement. Advantage greater access to capital, division of responsibility. Disadvantage conflicts of interest between a lease personal responsibility. Next, limited liability company. Definition: a firm of business whose capital consists of share owner by shareholders who are responsible for the paid in capital. Characteristic: 1. Capital consists of share. 2. Liability is limited to the number of shares. 3. Recognized as a legal entity. Advantage limited liability, access to greater capital. Business continuity does not depend on the owner. Disadvantages: the establishment process is more complete. The operational cost in higher. Next, public company. Definition: a firm of PT whose share can be traded freely in the stock market. Have an obligation to report financial and company activities transparently. Characteristic: 1. Shares are sold on the stock exchange. 2. Must comply with capital market regulation. Advantages: access to large capital from the public, high stock liquidity. Disadvantages: strict supervision, high compliance costs. Next, state-owned enterprise. Definition: a company whose capital is partly or fully owned by the state. BUMN aims to provide important goods service for the public. Characteristic: 1. Capital partly or completely for the state. 2. Have a social mission other than seeking profit. Advantages: get government support, focus on public interest. Disadvantages: less flexible, sometimes less efficient. Next, a cooperative. Definition: a firm of business established by members to meet common needs. The main principle of cooperatives is voluntary and open membership. Characteristic: 1. Member as owner and customer. 2. Profit are distributed according to the contribution. Advantages: prioritize member welfare, dekorasi aja. Alright. Next, cooperative. Definition: a firm of business established by member to meet common needs. The main principle of cooperatives is voluntary and open membership. Characteristic: 1. Member as owner and customer. 2. Profit are distributed according to the contribution. Advantages: prioritize member welfare, decoration. Disadvantages: management is often less professional, limited to member contribution.